Hi, welcome to my new video. I'm going to show you how to hack a car security system to build pretty much anything you want to do. What we are going to do in this video is to take out the radio receiver module and the encoding IC so we can send a signal from the remote and know we've received a signal, LED indication. We'll take apart the Hego Auto system. This is the radio frequency receiver. I have soldered wires to connect to the receiver. On the decoder IC, we solder a wire to one of the input-output pins on the decoding IC. This is the security system. This is the RF receiver. I've soldered LEDs, soldered wires. This is the positive power supply, negative, and data out. These are the pins, the negative power supply, the positive power supply, and the data out. And this is the receiver module. This is the RF receiving module. If you look, you do this. You just need me to look at this. This is the RF receiver, and connecting it to the circuit board directly to the decoding IC. Then I've soldered a pin out already. So we're going to build it on the PCB. Now to build this device, we require a transmitter, which we have from the keys, and we need a 7805 voltage regulator to regulate the voltage, because I'm using a 9 volts battery and I need 5 volts. So I use this to regulate the voltage. Then a resistor to limit the current coming to my LED. A transistor to amplify the signal coming out from the decoding IC. And an LED to indicate if it is receiving signal or not. And this circuit is very simple to build. Just follow me as I do it. I'll show you the circuit diagram later. Now I'm connecting wires to the positive voltage supply. Connecting another wire, the negative power supply. All these stuff, if you come with them behind, just do the main thing very well. Connecting them on the power rail of my breadboard. So connecting the voltage regulator. Now to connect these stuffs. And this taking power from the positive voltage rail to the positive pin of the voltage regulator. This is an IC voltage regulator. Now I'm connecting the ground to the device, and taking the output from the voltage regulator to the positive voltage supply on my the radio RF receiver module, and then I'm connecting the negative pin, the negative voltage rail on the breadboard. Now that we have this circuit powered up, we'll have a regulated voltage supply. Now I'll take that regulated voltage supply to power the RF receiver module. Now from the output pin of the receiver module, I will take the signal into the base of a BJT, bipolar junction transistor. And if you remember from my previous videos, BJTs are used to amplify current or voltage. They can also be used as switches. So I'm going to use the BJT BC547 to amplify the signal coming out from the decoding IC. Then I use it to power an LED to show us that signal has been received successfully. Now this is my BC547. And the output pin from the decoding IC is going directly into the base of the BC547, and I'm connecting an LED to the collector, the BC547, then a resistor to limit the current coming into the LED so that my LED doesn't get burned in the process. You know how this shit gets. So I'm connecting the emitter pin of the transistor to the ground. Now that everything is connected, we test. This is my radio receiver module, this is the antenna, and these are the keys. Now if I send a signal, our LED should indicate that it has received a signal. You see, the LED lights up. The LED lights up every time I press the key. Lights up, which shows that it's picking a signal.